Maintenance on the electrical components of your V20 should be performed by a licensed electrician. Failure to follow these wiring instructions may result in serious injury or death from shock, fire, or explosion. If your V20 does not turn on, verify your V20 is properly connected to a good power source with the appropriate voltage for your pump. You should also verify your switch has not failed. If your V20 still does not turn on, you may have a failed capacitor. To replace the capacitor on your V20, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a 4mm hex wrench, remove the nozzle hanger from the pump. Using a 5mm hex wrench, remove the electrical cover plate from the pump housing. Then, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the switch assembly from the housing. The switch does not need to be disconnected. Remove the wires from their organizer clips and remove the plastic cover by squeezing the area shown to disengage the retaining clips. To verify if your capacitor has failed, you can check the capacitance of your capacitor with an LCR meter. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. Disconnect the two brown wires from the old capacitor and place them onto the inner two tabs of the new capacitor as shown. Place the new capacitor into the plastic cover. Replace the plastic cover by rolling the capacitor and plastic cover against the metal supports in the bottom of the housing, then snapping the plastic tabs into the wall of the metal housing. Run the wires back through the retaining slots in the plastic cover. Reinstall the switch assembly. Apply lithium grease to the mating surface of the electrical cover plate. Then reinstall the electrical cover plate and nozzle hanger, taking care to align the switch actuator on the cover plate with the electrical switch. Ensure all bolts are tightened securely. reapply power to the pump, and tests to ensure functionality. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPRO.